Juan, hello. That guy, hello. Johan, hello. Erim, hi. Hi, RB. Mark, hello. RT, hi. Kenar, hello. Hi, Ray. Kayangko, hello. Nak, hello. Baby Cheese, hi. Eggsy, hello. Are you serious? Nothing. I'm so bored. Danielle, hello. Scarlett, hi. Concrete, hi. Hi, Code. How are you, Code? Eduardo, hello. Lucky. Lucky, you try the 1K now, so I will end. Sheener, hello. Code, you gambling. You try to gambling. Francisco, hello. Wala naman matutunan. Max, hello. You try to gambling. Lucky. I think you will win. Heights, wait lang. Pa 4 star lang. Albert, hello. Grumpy, hi. Hi, Zeno. Sige. Tumal eh. Di kasi ako nakapag-live kanina. Pam, hello. ID number, hi. Also, hello. Mark Lawrence. How are you, Mark Lawrence? Good afternoon, Mark. How are you? Are you feeling good today, Mark Lawrence? Hi, Jella. Angela, hello. Mark, where are you from? Okay lang, ikaw ba? Ito, buhay pa rin. Joke lang. Okay naman. Ganun pa din. Mahirap pa rin ang buhay. Seryoso, hello. Jack, hello. How are you, Jack69? Good afternoon. Guys, if you have WhatsApp, send your WhatsApp to me. Mark, meron ka bang WhatsApp? Send mo sa akin. Jack69, do you have the WhatsApp? Dito sa tabi-tabi. True. Ako rin eh. Guys, send your WhatsApp to me. Hamster! Hamster, 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 hamster! Hola. Mark, send mo sa akin yung WhatsApp mo. Jack, where are you from, Jack? I like your voice. Really? Why you like my voice? Kid, hello. Guys, send me again one supercar. It is relaxing. No, my voice it's really bad because I don't know how to speak in English. Joke. Mark Lawrence, send mo na. Wait, what do you want? Ano, summer. Summer ba? Or kung ano, kung kaya mo naman, may budget ka naman, sige. Isang manifest lang para makakain na. Sure, go! I like the summer. Jack, what you doing? CK, hello. Hi, what if? Yeah, what if? You tap the what if. Hintayin ko, Mark. Excellent, hi. Toshi, hello. Wait, looking for the... Dun sa ano, sa prestige gift. Makikita mo dun.